Hey guys, today let's make chicken pulao. It's a very flavorful rice dish. I love pulao in my meal and it makes my work quick and complete. So let's see how to make it. Add 750 grams chicken in a mixing bowl. Goes in 1 tablespoon crushed green chilies, 4 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt. Give this a very nice mix and marinate this for at least 30 minutes. And now heat 1 cup oil in a pan. Add 3 large sliced onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. Once done, remove half of the sauteed onion in a bowl and set aside. Fry the other half till it becomes golden brown. Once the onion becomes brown, remove it and set this aside. And next I'm going to add sauteed onion again in a pan and fry this for a few seconds. Goes in half-inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 star anise, 1 mace, 2 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon shazira. Saute for 30 seconds. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon crushed green chilies. Roast it for few seconds. And next I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces. Roast this chicken for 2 minutes on high flame. And to this I'm adding 1/4 cup curd. Give this a very nice mix. Roast it for a minute in a high flame. And now I'm adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And now close the lid and cook on medium-high heat for 8 minutes. In between add half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and slow cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 2 whole green chilies. And the next step is to add 4.5 glass of water. Adjust salt if required. And now close the lid and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, simmer the flame and then add 3 cups of soaked basmati rice. And now mix well and cook over a high flame until water is reduced and soaked by the rice for 6 to 8 minutes. At this point I am adding green or red color, it's optional. Sprinkle some fried onions on top. And next rub the pot with foil or cotton cloth. Close the lid and slow cook for 10 minutes. Once the pulao is done with the dum process, now slowly open the lid and gently turn the rice upside down. Now transfer this in a serving plate and garnish with some more fried onions on top and serve hot with raita. This chicken pulao is super easy to make. It is mildly spiced, not heavy like the chicken biryani. Rice cooked with spices to give flavor is pulao or pilaf. If you liked my today's recipe on easy chicken yakhni pulao, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more updates and short recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.